Now you might know Sarah in two ways. There is SARAH and then there is SARA. Okay, but this is a very critical tip. Many students tend to think about the previous question even though they have missed that question. Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we will discuss some listening tips. As you know, in the Ielts test, we have 40 questions and you have 30 minutes for the listening and 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. Okay, let's look at some of the tips. First one is listen carefully as audio is played only once. As you know, in the Ielts test, the audio is only played once. It is not repeated. Okay, so you will have to concentrate and make sure that you listen to the answer very carefully. The second tip is each option is discussed once. What do I mean by that? I mean, let's say in the question, the question states, Adam is going to the mall, to the park, or to his parents' house. So each option will be discussed once. So in the audio you will listen to the word park, you will listen to the word mall, and you might also listen to the word parents home. So one of these options will be the correct option, but you will have to listen to that option very carefully. Okay. The third one is answers are always in order and sequence. So answers are always in order. So let's say again, moving forward. So let's say the answer to the question that Adam went to the dash was mall. So let's say the next question is he purchased dash. So the answer would come after the mall word comes in. Okay. So that's why the answers always move in sequence. Fourth point is if you miss one answer, move on to the next. This is a very critical tip. Many students tend to think about the previous question even though they have missed that question or missed that answer. What happens is that it plays a psychological role and they cannot move forward while the audio is already moving forward, and they tend to miss a lot of the answers. So they sequentially miss answers because they are trying to think about the previous question. Don't do that. If you miss an answer, just move forward. Okay. Number five. Read instructions carefully. One or two words. Read the instructions carefully. If the question is stating two words only, then write two words only. If the question is saying no more than one word or no more than three words, don't write more than three words. Okay. So read the question very carefully. The fourth point is write clearly using capital letters. Write your answers clearly. Don't cram your answers. If you have to write in block letters, write in block letters. Okay, so that the reader can read your answers clearly. Seventh and the last point is avoid any spelling mistakes. Please avoid any spelling mistakes, especially in case of names. So let's say a lady's name is Sarah. Okay, now you might know Sarah in two ways. There is SARAH and then there is SARA. Okay, but if the audio states the answer is Sarah, SARA, you write that only. Don't write SARAH, because what will happen is that your answer will not match the answer sheet and your marks will be deducted. So always check your spelling. Okay. So these are my listening tips and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button